Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make TikTok chat stories. Creating TikTok chat stories using a texting story app is a fun and creative way to engage your audience, and also, if you have created a story, that would be easy for us to do. But since I want it to be on the spot, we will go through it. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, install a texting story app like Texting Story Chat Story Maker from the Google Play Store. These apps simulate a text conversation and allow you to create dialogue between characters. Now, once installed, open the app. Add the names of the characters in the conversation by tapping on the Edit Names. Here, you can rename the default character's name. You can change avatar by tapping on this icon, change the color theme, but you have to pay for it to unlock its feature. Same goes the font style and sounds, and you can add more characters by tapping Add Name. But for now, let's stay on these default names. Now go back. Let's start a conversation as Jesse. Tap on the message, then hit send, and it will be sent to Alex. Now to switch a person, just tap on the names in the top right or left corner. So I'm going to tap on Alex, and I'll reply to Jesse. Just type out your replies. You can also add emojis. Now hit the send, and we created a first conversation with message and reply. Next, record the story. Once the chat story is complete, use the app's built-in screen recording feature. To do this is by clicking the empty space, then tap on the Create Video. The conversation in real time will be played automatically as a preview. It's like the messages appear to simulate live chat. Now, let's save it by tapping the save icon in the top right, and it will be saved in your gallery. Now, let us upload it to TikTok. Open TikTok app and tap the plus button to create a new post. Now tap on your recent picture or video from your gallery on the lower right corner. Then go to the video section. Choose your chat story video from your gallery. Then hit next. Add captions, filters, music, and effects using the editing tools on the right hand panel to make the video more engaging. Then tap on next. Add further details to finally post your chat stories. Now, post your chat story by tapping post and share it with your audience. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.